Alright, let's make a shading variations from the top, putting more purple color. Okay, and it's diminishing as it moves towards downwards. Okay, diminishing. That's it. Later we're going to put the water, that means the blue color, to the downwards directions, adding blue here, and blue is also diminishing as it moves towards the middle point. So you can see the changes of variations between two colors. Awesome. Taking more white in the middle and adjust it. Okay, need more white. Alright, so two colors just merge here. In the midpoint we're going to draw some three lines. For that purpose, let's do the ground here, and for that purpose we're going to put the ground color. So usually this is going to be the ground. Okay, only few portions from the left side is going to be the ground. Okay, let's add white color again so the ground becomes lightly visible. Okay, on top of it we're going to add the green color for the tree lines. So few tree lines you can see on top, just all blending together within the nature. Few are on the top. Okay, here just creating the few variations for the tree lines. Okay, we can use some darker colors for the lower portions if we like. Okay, so this is how changing the variations for the tree lines. Now it's time for the branches. Just putting the branches here. When you put the branches, just putting few lighter strokes, and you can see the trunk of the trees. Those are quite straight here. Some are thinner, some are thicker. So this is how lots of trees you can see, and also the solid point on the top. So as you can see, the darker parts continues to the bottom portion. So we're going to add some lighter color, that means the white color, on the top portion of the each tree lines, just to show the shading variations. Okay, and also for the reflections, you can see it's like on the water. You can see a few reflections drawing like this one. Okay, so it happens when you can see the water is crystal clear. There are lots of reflections you can easily see. Okay, and we're going to add some white color just to fine tuning the water line. Just you can see few white straight lines along the water level, just to show the formations of the waves. So waves looks good, and you can also see the reflections. Okay, add a little bit water for the reflections. Okay, and in this portion we're going to draw a sun which is just, you can see here, the orange color. Okay, dark orange. For better convenience, we're going to add white color with it to make it more clearly visible. Okay, so there's the color of the sun. It's all about like the imaginations and partially visible. So the cloud formations and the sky level, you can see, adding also the orange color within the skylines, and sun is just diminishing at the bottom point. You can see it's just merged with the nature. Okay, so this is it, simple scenery, simple outlines, and I hope you like the video. And before you close the drawing, you can just add few adjustment, just like I'm putting the orange color of the sun here. So these are the adjustments you can draw the midpoint. Okay, so the more fine tuning you make, the better the drawing looks good. And also you can add up some white linings here with the sun's outlines. Okay, so the reflections looks better. Okay, so when you put the brush strokes, just try to put it as straight as possible. That's it. So I hope you like the scenario. Thanks for watching. You can do practice at home. And before I close, you can see this is a solid wood piece. So these types of paintings, small paintings, helps for the decorations at your homes. I hope you like the video. See you in our next videos. Have a good day.